up, everybody? Phil and Brett here. We are headed to the air show at the Military Aviation Museum with our two amazing dogs in tow. Say hi to Luke and say hi to Toby. You have anything to say, Phil?
They have guns.
They have guns.
On airplanes. Machine guns.
On airplanes.
And a Browning 30 cal machine gun that's mounted on a 1917 World War I scout car, and I'm going to shoot it.
And fun fact, we had our first official date here, even though we clarified it a date after we went on it. And we fell in love here. And we had our engagement photos done here. And we had our wedding here. So we can't wait to let y'all check it out with us. Coming at you not live, we are pulling in to the drive.
Why is it so slow?
I'll just speed it up. I want to make sure I have good diction.
This guy with this blue plane, he keeps it by the new job.
Here we are. Pulling up.
Is that Benny?
Like, check out that nice Corvette. Those are the kind of people that hang out here. The good people.
Rich people.
Yeah.
Rich young people.
Here we are. Sorry, but y'all did just miss the plane in flight, but we will make sure to share that with y'all soon.
Yeah, I mounted that one on there. I made that mount.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Propane, huh?
Yeah, the mount's actually a caster wheel.
Oh yeah, I see it.
And then the giveaway that it's not original is these screws are way too tiny for World War I.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but under here
Still,
is your propane tanks. Yeah, peel it back a little. See?
Oh yeah.
Propane
Wow.
tanks.
What caliber is it on it?
It's a 30 cal Browning machine.
That second fan in the garage.
Yeah, you want me to? Well, that's why I need that other prop that I started making, because I was going to convert it over.
Is it smaller than that?
When this one runs, the cylinders loosen up. It's pretty horrible to watch it run.
Is it smaller than that?
Oh yeah.
See, I was looking at fans the other day.
Right here. Okay, cross the line. Don't.
Alright, I'm allowed to, aren't I?
I don't know. Say you're fine. You're fine. Stand. All right. So tell me about the machine guns in front of you.
These are
Vickers.
machine guns.
Vickers 50 cal.
They're Vickers 50 cal.
They were converted over from bullets to propane,
They were converted over from bullets to propane.
and now they're going to get mounted on an airplane.
And now they're gonna get mounted on Toby. Just kidding.
So these actually are original Vickers machine guns. If we open this up, you can see the maker's mark right there. They're fully Cerakoted, ready to go, propane setup for a simulation. I actually pulled them apart to see what was going on the inside. Some parts land.
Y'all, Phil just made a huge announcement to me. He says he's about to whip out his Halloween costume from the Aviation Museum, which is a total shock to me. So let's wait patiently and find out what he is about to expose. There he is, folks. There he is.
All right, so we're at my old job, and I was making these. I mean, I'm about a year into this, except in all reality, I got like 6 hours. I just keep putting it off on the back shelf.
What is that small thing? Is that a panda bear?
No, this
looks like a panda bear.
This is missing a fin, and this is the helmet from Rocketeer.
So basically, girls out there, everybody like me who doesn't know what he's talking about, It's a panda bear. It's basically a panda bear.
We got a jetpack.
And what do we
It's
have
really
over
cool.
here, Phil?
And this is from something called Star Wars. Very small little short series film. Not many people know of the originals of what they are. And this right here was one of the, man, he was like the second most awesome, how am I going to say this? Awesome, not politically correct, but nice for people.
What he's trying to say, folks, is here we have Star Wars.
This is the Mad
Here.
Dog Mantis of Star Wars right here. Just
Here.
annihilated, slayed. It was one of the best guards ever.
Here we have a panda bear. Look at the little cute panda ears. Look at
Those
them.
are intakes.
Look at the cute panda ears.
Intakes for cooling.
Panda ears.
Those are actually functional too.
Y'all,
There are holes here.
look at the panda ears. Your ears can breathe if you are a panda.
So that's that. I'm probably gonna finish this guy up, and that's the gonna be the Halloween costume.
And folks, I will be Vivian Ward from Pretty Woman. Shout outs to 1990s Julia Roberts. I've been told I have the same cheekbones as you.
I have to give credit where it's deserved. I mean, this is a toilet paper holder. Next level, I mean, 1/8 of an inch thick, really nice solid hardware. I mean, that is not going nowhere. That can handle any type of bathroom needs you could imagine. Incredible.
What's up? You gonna say anything?
So we're here. Did a little bit of flying. Socked down a couple of beers, ate some falafel and some burrito-looking chicken thing.
Middle Eastern food.
Yep, it was good. It was definitely good. And I don't know. That's really it. I'll just I guess we'll just fill it with a bunch of B-roll with all the other shots that we're taking.
We'll drop that out of the video. Just act natural, not talk about recording.
Crash your video.
Are you gonna come crash it?
Yeah.
So this is Micah. He's one of the old guys I know. Used to work with him. And this is Biplanes and Brews is the event. So he's worked all day in the hot, blistering sun, 2 days straight, like 12-hour days. And it's beer time. That's all we got. Man, here we are. I mean, that is awesome.
Can I take this one?
Yeah, this is the little RC plane of a Marine Saunier.
Show them it's remote control.
RC, remote control. That's what that stands for. And if you look way over here, look at this focused. That would be the wing to a Marine Saunier.
Am I pointing to it?
No, you're not in the. I'll zoom out for you. There, over there.
Can you see it?
Yeah, next to the Dan Haviland Mosquito, the
You
American
gotta
killer.
assume people don't know what you're talking about.
P-51,
The shark
the P-40, the shark plane, and then that's a Dragon Rapey.
Royal people flew in that plane.
Yeah,
And I've been in it. I'm Royal AF.
Royal Air Force. That's actually probably on the side of that one.
Century, a genuine 100-year-old Hall-Scott engine powering our Fokker D7.
Look at it smoking. It's not good. It's not good.
That engine from 1918.
It's not good.
From the original
Shut up.
I know a lot about that plane. The smoke is bad on that. It's a bus engine in that
Lack
thing.
of available spare parts inclined the American operators to exchange for these available Hall-Scott engines. So this particular plane has one of those on its power.
right. She's flying.
Regarded as a formidable ground attack aircraft, the Halberstadt would frequently fly
Somebody's landing.
4 or 6 aircraft, dropping bombs and grenades just ahead of the advancing pronounced troops.